Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. If you don't know, it's Kayla Lashay, and today I will be showing you guys how I straighten my hair. For my heat protectant, I will be using Biosilk. As you can see, you only need a dime size amount. If you watched my slick back bun tutorial, then you know this, but I am just going to work that all the way through my hair so that it is protected from this heat that I will be using today. I do want to mention that I use the Narobi heat protectant in my hair before I blow dried it. I just didn't show me blow drying my hair because I think that step is really simple. I just used a comb attachment with my blow dryer to blow dry it. But in this clip, I am just making sure that I am working that heat protectant all through my hair once again so that we have little to no damage with this straightening process. In this clip, I am simply parting my hair in 4 sections. This just makes my hair easier to manage while I'm straightening it. As you can tell, I do have a good bit of hair to work with, but I'm just going to take it down the middle and part it on the sides in 4 sections. After parting off all of those sections, the section that I'm starting with, I am going to pin up and straighten the perimeter. I do that for all of my sections. I just like to ensure that I'm getting close to salon quality when I do my own hair. so you guys see what that looks like. And yes, my braid is tucked in my shirt, but you know we gonna do what we gotta do to make it happen. As you see, the first section is parted off. We're going to detangle and comb through so that there are no knots in our hair. And when I straighten my hair, I like to pull it just a little bit so that we have some tension, just like when you do the tension method when stretching your hair. I do the same thing when I straighten my hair so that my roots aren't kinky at all. I want my hair to be bone straight from root to tip. Another tip to make sure that your hair is as straight as possible is to use small sections. I cannot stress how important this is. You want to make sure that that heat is evenly distributed throughout the section that you're straightening so that, like I said, you can get that salon quality silk press or blowout. I like to do I don't know what method is called, but I think it's called like the chasing method, where you chase the comb with your flat iron. This also makes sure that you are getting just that sleek look. I'm going to do this 1 or 2 more times, and then you guys will see me move to the very last section. I would also like to mention that you guys will see me pass the flat iron on my roots 2 to 3, maybe 4 times. This also ensures that I get that bone straight look. But after I'm done with my roots, you guys, I literally pass through the ends of my hair only once. This prevents that heat damage. Your roots is where your new hair is, so usually I'm not too concerned when I pass through that many times, but for the rest of my hair, it's only 1 time, you guys. No more, no less. Alright, so here I am with 75% of my hair done. I had to show you guys in the very last section how I do this, just so you guys can get a closer look. But the very same thing that I did for the other sections, I will be doing for this exact same section. Starting with the perimeter, you know, just giving it a good pass to take out some of those kinks, and then repeating the process all over again. All right, you guys, as you can see, this process is complete. Right here, I am doing just some finishing touches to make sure that I didn't miss not a hair. Here are the finished results. As you can see, she's very sleek, okay? She's flowing, she's growing. I did forget to mention that I did trim my ends before I started the straightening process, so those dead ends are gone, honey. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And until the next time, my babies, ciao.